Hey loves, my name is Mine Akanimo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own stop motion video just like this one from start to finish. So whether you're a beginner or just looking to improve your skills on video editing for your business, I've got ya. First of all, ensure that your phone is in a stable position. A DIY method or a tripod stand will help. Next will be to start taking multiple photos of your item. You shift, snap, you shift it, you take picture, you shift it, take picture, take multiple photos and shift your object to your desired direction. If you want your object to move around, just take photos as you shift it around. So we're going to be using CapCut to edit this. If you do not have it, download from your Play Store or Apple Store depending on your device. So let's head on to CapCut. First thing is to click on New Project to import our pictures. And make sure that you select from the first picture to the last one you snapped. No mistake, please. Keep clicking the tiny circles you're seeing there to select your photos according to how you snapped them. And when you are done, you'll see where you have add. Then you click on add to add your photos. Yes, this is the add to add your photos. At this point, we've successfully imported all our photos to CapCut. Now let's start the main editing. So click on each clip. You see this thick white line. Drag it to 0.3 or 0.2 depending on how fast you want your video to be. So you're going to do that in all the clips. Stop motion videos are very easy to create and it's one of the best videos to use for adverts, for your business, for your reels. So as a business owner, I would advise you don't sleep on this one. You have to start creating amazing videos for your brand. So nowadays, as long as you have a business, you're a content creator, because you have to be creating videos, amazing videos like this for your brand. It's not everything you'll be asking somebody to help you do. Videos like this, you should be able to create for yourself, okay? So keep watching to the end so you'll be able to create your own videos. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let me give you time to subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much. I do really hope you've liked and subscribed to my channel because when you do, you encourage me to create more videos and for this particular video to reach more people. Thank you very much. So we're done dragging the clips. Let's see the end result. Then the next thing is to export our video to our gallery. So at this point, I'll allow you watch as I create another tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.